If not, I give you 5 minutes more of this, which is the Technical Planning Committee motions, votes, and actions. This happens 4 times a year. It's 1 week each of very hard work of a lot of the OGC members who work in domain working groups, stand-up working groups, and revision working groups. And this is a summary of what has been done there. It's thinned out. It's only about 25% of all the slides. I took those which I think are interesting. So we have an X-Link issue status. Who knows what happened to X-Link? Okay, there's a few. Oh yeah, I know all of you. So there was some change which happened outside of an OGC standard, but was referenced from inside an OGC standard, and we had to do something in the OGC standard to address this. And the question was, do we raise a number of the version and say everything that is before this has to go away and we have to change everything? Or is it something that happened outside and doesn't really affect our standard? So there was a decision taken here. I will also upload this later to the site so that you can download it, because I'm going to hurry through it now. Congratulations to the GeoSparkle SWIG. They have actually approved an official OGC standard on May 15. Therefore, the OGC member thanks and congratulate the GeoSparkle SWIG, the submission team, and the editors Matthew Perry and John Herring. Thanks a lot. And you see there's a charter members, voting member of the SWIGs, all those people down there, they come from many different places in the world, and business and academia and so on. And this is one of the basics that we've seen earlier in the morning with linked data and linked open data, where this is the query language for. So this is a milestone, I think. Whoops, wrong way. WaterML approved as new OGC standard 2.0. On June 22, it was recommended as approved as official OGC standard, so that the water markup language is now official. The 3D motion modeling and ADE as discussion paper released the modeling of application domain extension of CityGML in UML as an OGC discussion paper. So this shows the process. You have GML, then you have CityGML, which is obviously built on GML, and then you have a domain extension that is now out there as a discussion paper. So somebody said, we need to extend this. This is my proposal. This is a discussion paper. Let's talk about this. The WCS motion, you were talking about WCS. So this deprecates WCS 1.1.2 because the reason there is no current and maintained valid test suite for WCS 1.1x. And therefore, we said, before there's something out there that's not being used and confuses people, we better remove it. There's an informative motion from Coordinate Reference System Domain Working Group and recommends the establishment of a Coordinate Reference System well-known text software working group after drafting a charter and do a call for participation. And then it says what shall be done, and you can see here that the revision be consistent with ISO 9111-2007 and OGC 08015 R2. So these two are not consistent currently, they have to be made consistent, and this is the job of this standards working group. This was a very quick update, and we have 30 more of these. If you're interested, come to the OGC, get inside and check what you need for. And a last reminder.
Yeah, that the results of the technical committee, which took place last week in Exeter, will be available publicly in about one week. So there is more information on what has happened, and you can view this information on our website.
And if you're interested, you have to come here to get your memory stick with a market report or more information material on OGC and Inspire standards and software you can use there. Thanks a lot for your attention, and have a great week next week.